All right, friends, we've been talking about laws and why laws are set for us to be safe. Today, on chapter 5, we're going to talk about finding information. So, pay close attention. The students have their problems. The students will now find more information. They can use books, websites, and videos. They can ask other people. So there's many ways you can get information. They gave us 4 ways. Can you think of these 4 ways? If you're having trouble, look back on this page. Mr. Landry has a problem. Students talk in class. Mr. Landry will use a book. He will find ideas to fix the problem in the book. So he's got to think and he's got to look. He's got to find information. Carly and Kevin have a problem. Cell phones can be a problem in class. They will find ideas to fix the problem in videos. Carly and Kevin need some more ideas to fix the problem. They talk with Miss Donna. She tells them ways to fix the cell phone problem. Carly and Kevin found many good ideas. So they asked somebody for help. That's a good way to find information. Carly and Kevin work together. They have different ideas. They must pick one idea. Students will keep their phones in their backpacks. William and Amaya have a problem. Backpacks on the floor are not safe. They look for ideas on the website. Think about why it is not safe to have backpacks on the floor or jackets on the floor. Think, think, think. William and Amaya want more ideas. They talk to Coach Box. Coach Box tells them another idea. So they went to somebody else, and now they're going to give them his idea. William and Amaya have many ideas. They must work together. They will pick one idea. Students will put their backpacks on their chairs. So if they put them on their chairs, they're going to be off the floor. Each group found more ideas. They used books, websites, and videos. Each group will use the ideas to make rules. They will share their rules with the class. So now that they find their ideas, they're going to share with the class. So let's think about how we can get information, what research is, and what are the 4 types of ways we can get that information. Let's think about it. Go ahead and go to the next video because that is where your questions will be. See you later, friends.